So, well, hello. Today is about the Groovesell. So, Groovesell is where you sell your digital products, and you can sell courses, you can sell designs, you can sell anything that is digital and coaching. And so let's check it out. To get to your, once you log into your Groove, to go to Groovesell, you just point on the very side here, and you will have the options to go to your dashboard, to Group Pages, Group Funnel, Groovesell. So here we are, Groovesell, and you have the Groove Affiliate, Groove Mail, Groove Member, Groove Video, Groove Blog, Groove Cart, Groove Webinar, and mobile app, and there's more. But today we'll focus on Groovesell. So you click on Groovesell. I am already here. And on Groovesell, here is where you create the funnel and products. If you have a product you want to sell, then this is where you want to click. And this is the reporting of, like, for example, this one is there's no sales here. And it will get started with revenue or get started with visitors. So you will see some reporting here. And then here is where you manage your affiliate. If you decide to create or sell something like a product, you have a product that you sell and you want to allow affiliate to help you market your product, and this is where you manage it, and the performance, the customers, then this is something that you need to create. Checkout forms. So this is the new funnel, is when you have a funnel that you want a product. So you want to click on this, but let's go back and let's go on this side. And instead of going all the way to the top, you want to just hover here, because this is the dashboard of Groovesell. And then here is the product funnels, which is this one. And then the affiliates and customers, reporting, tools that you can use, the marketplace, and settings. So they're like not in the same order, but they're kind of the same. They're pretty much the same thing here. So if you go to funnels and products, if you click on that, this is where you are going to create your new product funnel. As you can see, there's no funnel, there's no product here. So if you click on new product funnel, it will give you the option to name it, internal name, description, what is it, category, what is the category. So you have some options here. If you're selling food, then you go here, and education or finance, so you choose here. And then the currency, and you want to change this to you once you have set up your product and you have your domain set up, because if you don't, then it will go to a default sender, which is not you. And then below it will give you option. Right now I don't have any option. I have not I have one domain, so it's not set up yet, so I have to set it up. And this is the domain that you will choose. It will give you option here. This is not properly set up yet. This is the free account I'm using for just for this tutorial. So everything is so you can follow, because if I have a paid account, and you can see it can be different and it will kind of confuse you. So I use a free account, so you can see we have the same look and everything. So then once you have decided to create a new product, then you just create product funnel and it will create one for you. Then if I go back to the dashboard, it will take me back to here. And I can create a new funnel and I can create a checkout form. You just have to, let's try new product funnel. So I can create a new product funnel here. And the other thing that you need to pay attention is this one here. There's two options for Groovesell. Either you are a vendor or you are an affiliate. You choose that. So if you are the one selling a product, then you are the vendor. Now, if you're an affiliate of a product, then you are the affiliate. These are the people who sign up to be in your, like selling your product, you know, affiliate of your product. So it will show there. And then and then you can create promos here. And this is additional promos, promotion and links, bonuses. So if you I have people who sign up and lifetime upgrade, magazine and all that. So you can create a promotion and links from here. So these are the links that you can create and not create, but use it. You can use it. This is the affiliate links and this is the bonuses. If you have a product that you want to give as bonus, you can add it here by clicking this and you will add your bonuses. Let's see. List is empty. So this is pretty new. And so there's none here. And then if we go back to dashboard again and select vendor, because you are going to be in business, right? You want to create a business. So this is where you are going to be most of the time. You will create a new funnel. You will create a checkout form. Let's click this one so you can see there's no checkout form for now because this is new. Once you have a product, then you can create a checkout form because you want to make sure that whoever wants your product, you will get paid. And here is where the customers will be showing once you have products purchased. It will show the name, email. Basically, most of the time you have that name and email and all that. And so what else? So here, the marketplace. Let's look at the marketplace. Here is the marketplace where your product will be here too if you have your product set up. So everyone can see what your product is. The setting is pretty much your setting, your account for the vendor. And that's it for the Groovesell. And the next video would be setting up your funnel. You want to create a funnel that you can sell. And that will be the next video. I made it pretty simple, so it's easier for most of you can join when you join. Because when I joined this, I was so overwhelmed, to be honest, because it's a good tool, except that when you're new and you have a very limited amount of knowledge when it comes to product website, it can be overwhelming. And so I was overwhelmed. So now I thought, okay, might be a good idea to just put in there very, very quick tutorial and very easy to follow. And then you can just put them together. So I did that. That's how I learned to, I did one thing at a time, and then basically I was able to create my website, everything, to receiving emails, customers, like lead generation. I was able to set up everything correctly. And now when somebody goes to my website, it automatically, if they sign up for something, I will receive it. And I'm so happy with that. So that's it for today. And we will be coming back for the next. Next would be Groovesell. This is also important.